Introducing the Trucking Block app. Trucking Block is an innovative platform that organizes how your trucking and fleet business is run efficiently and effectively by automatically calculating your gross rates per mile, net rate per mile, fuel cost per mile, maintenance per mile, break-even point, and more. Trucking Block has load measurement formulas already built in. You no longer need to plug receipts into confusing spreadsheets on your laptop. With the Trucking Block app, you can now manage your income, expenses, and profits, create reports, and intuitive graphs. It's easy to use. Simply create a profile page by including your company name and indicate whether you are a single truck or fleet owner or operator, a lessee, or under your own authority. Then, simply update your odometer and you're ready to go. Download the Trucking Block on iOS or Android for your free trial period, and you're on the road ahead to turning your miles into more money in your well-worn pockets.